Modern travel is about more than just reaching a destination. It's about crafting a seamless, comfortable, and efficient journey from door to door. The right gear doesn't just fill your suitcase, it transforms your entire experience, eliminating common frustrations and elevating every moment of your adventure. However, with an overwhelming flood of new products and gadgets constantly emerging, figuring out what's truly worth your investment can feel like a daunting task. Today, we're counting down the top 12 absolute best travel gear items on Amazon that represent the pinnacle of innovation, utility, and pure travel day comfort. And one more thing. Don't forget to check the link in description for latest price of each gear we talked about, so let's go. Starting our list at number 12 is the US to UK Ireland Travel Plug Adapter, 2-pack from TESSAN. This isn't just a simple piece of plastic. It's your first and most critical line of defense against the panic of a dead device in a foreign country. Meticulously engineered for Type G power outlets, the standard in the United Kingdom, Ireland, Scotland, Dubai, and Qatar, this adapter ensures a secure and safe connection for all your American plugs. At number 11, we have the DUDUDU Heated Eyelash Curler. For the traveler who believes that looking polished should be effortless, this portable travel-sized tool is a genuine game-changer. It completely rejects the clunky, pinching mechanics of traditional curlers, using gentle, targeted heat to create a stunning, long-lasting, and perfectly natural-looking curl that opens up your eyes and lasts for a staggering 24 hours. It features 2 adjustable temperature settings for customized results and heats up in an incredible 10 seconds, making it perfect for a quick touch-up in a cramped airport bathroom or before heading out to explore a new city. Coming in at number 10 is the Travel Toiletry Bag, Hanging Toiletry Organizer. This product solves the single most universal travel headache: the chaotic, disorganized jumble of bottles and products that inevitably takes over any bathroom counter. This isn't a simple pouch, it's a masterclass in vertical organization. Its brilliant design features a sturdy metal extra large swivel hook that instantly transforms any door or towel rack into a personal, perfectly organized station, saving precious counter space in even the tiniest of hotel bathrooms. Crafted from waterproof material, it fearlessly contains any spills or leaks. With a staggering 19 separate compartments, including zippered pockets, clear mesh sections, and elastic loops, every item, from your toothbrush and razor to your skincare and makeup, has a dedicated, easy-to-find home. This bag brings serene, spa-like order to the chaos of travel, making your routine efficient and utterly stress-free. The number 9 spot is secured by the Tactical Duffle Bag for men. This is the ultimate workhorse for the traveler who values rugged durability without sacrificing smart organization. This 45-liter expandable bag is constructed from tough, water-resistant material built to withstand being thrown into overhead bins, stowed under buses, or enduring a sudden downpour. Its tactical aesthetic is backed by serious functionality, featuring a dedicated, isolated shoe compartment to keep dirty footwear away from clean clothes, a total game-changer for organization and hygiene. It's equipped with multiple pockets for everything from a laptop to smaller EDC items, and is designed to meet most airline carry-on requirements. At number 8 is the Neck Fan, a portable personal fan. This innovative device is the ultimate solution for beating the heat while keeping your hands completely free. Unlike clunky handheld fans, this wearable device rests comfortably around your neck like a pair of high-tech headphones, directing a constant, gentle breeze toward your face and neck. It's ergonomically designed from lightweight, skin-friendly materials for all-day comfort. Typically featuring adjustable fan heads and powered by a USB rechargeable battery, it offers hours of cooling relief on a single charge. Securing the number 7 spot is the Ceptics Universal Travel Adapter Kit. This is the apex predator of travel adapters, a comprehensive solution for the true global citizen. It doesn't just cover one region. It comes with a suite of 4 interchangeable plugs that work in over 200 countries, including Europe, the UK, China, Australia, and Japan. But Ceptics took it several steps further, building in a surge protector to shield your expensive laptop and camera gear from unstable power grids, and including 2 US outlets and 2 USB ports with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology. It even includes a USB-C cord. This all-in-one kit consolidates every single one of your charging needs into one safe, reliable, and incredibly powerful hub. It's the ultimate peace of mind for the traveler who hops continents and needs their gear to work flawlessly anywhere on Earth. At number 6 is the Large Compression Packing Cubes 7-piece set by Tripped Travel Gear. This set represents the absolute gold standard in luggage organization. This isn't just about tidiness, it's about maximizing every single cubic inch of your suitcase. The ultralight, expandable bags allow you to compress your clothing down to a fraction of its size, creating massive amounts of extra space for souvenirs or simply allowing you to pack more into a carry-on. The 7-piece set provides a designated cube for every type of item, from large garments to small accessories and even dirty laundry, creating a logical, easy-to-navigate system within your bag. The dusty rose color adds a touch of style, but the real beauty is in the efficiency. You'll never have to dig through a chaotic pile of clothes again. Unpacking becomes a matter of simply placing the cubes in a drawer. It's a systematic revolution for how you pack. At number 5 position is the Portable Travel Steamer for clothes. This device is the ultimate solution for looking crisp and professional after a long flight. It completely eliminates the need for a bulky travel iron and a precarious ironing board. This powerful 1200-watt handheld steamer heats up in just 15 seconds and uses a continuous, high-pressure steam to effortlessly blast wrinkles out of any fabric, from delicate silks to sturdy cottons, gently and safely. Its compact size and lightweight design make it a breeze to pack, and it's optimized for 120-volt countries. Whether you're steaming a suit for a crucial business meeting abroad or refreshing a dress for a nice dinner, this tool ensures you always step out of your hotel room looking your absolute best, banishing the crumpled, just-traveled look for good. At number 4 is the Travel Backpack TSA Approved. This backpack is a masterpiece of integrated travel design, blending the best features of a laptop bag, a carry-on, and an overnight duffel into one sleek, waterproof package. Its TSA-approved design features a lay-flat laptop compartment that unzips completely, allowing you to swiftly pass through security without ever removing your 17-inch laptop. It includes a dedicated shoe compartment to isolate footwear, a built-in USB charging port for power on the go, though you supply the power bank, and a plethora of intelligently designed pockets for all your essentials. It's the perfect size for a weekend trip or as your primary carry-on, ensuring that everything you need is organized, protected, and effortlessly accessible from gate to destination. At number 3 spot is the TRTL Pillow, scientifically proven neck support travel pillow. This pillow earns the top position by completely reinventing a category dominated by bulky, ineffective, and often embarrassing U-shaped pillows. Its genius lies in a hidden, internal plastic support system that acts as a gentle, ergonomic scaffold for your head and neck. This allows you to comfortably doze off in an upright position without your head lolling forward or to the side, the primary cause of neck pain and disrupted sleep on planes, trains, and cars. It's scientifically designed and medically endorsed to be the correct supportive height. At number 2, we have the TRTL Travel Pillow Cool. This version takes the same revolutionary supportive design and enhances it with breathable, cooling fabric technology. It tackles the other great enemy of sleep, overheating. The moisture-wicking and cooling materials make it ideal for warm climates, stuffy cabins, or anyone who simply sleeps hot. And finally, our number 1 product, the ultimate tool for documenting your journey, the Phomemo Portable Printers Wireless for Travel. This remarkable device earns the top spot for turning digital memories into tangible, physical souvenirs anywhere on Earth. This isn't a bulky, cumbersome printer. It's a pocket-sized marvel that uses Bluetooth connectivity and inkless thermal printing technology to produce sharp, smudge-proof prints on adhesive-backed paper instantly. It supports sizes up to a standard US letter, allowing you to print photos, boarding passes, itineraries, or custom stickers from your iPhone or laptop. The included carrying case makes it the perfect companion for creating a real-time travel journal, decorating your luggage, or sharing instant photos with new friends you meet along the way. It's the ultimate fusion of technology and nostalgia, empowering you to creatively capture and celebrate your adventures the moment they happen. So there you have it, the top 12 travel gear on Amazon. We hope this list has given you some fantastic ideas for revolutionizing your own travels. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and let us know in the comments below which piece of gear you're most excited to try on your next trip.